TerrazzoRestoration.net, established in 1986. We love doing terrazzo restoration, and these days people are removing their tile from the terrazzo floor so the floor can be restored. We do about 2-3 tile removal jobs a week. A lot of people are buying these older homes and understand the jewel that is underneath the ceramic tile or porcelain tile. So we come in, we knock out the tile, we remove the carpet, remove the tack strip, we do a deep grinding. If we need to put a poultice on it, we offer that service as well. Give us a call. We offer free estimates. TerrazzoRestoration.net.